Hi guys. welcome back welcome back. I decided to bless you people with this beautiful face today. This is my first makeup of 2021 actually, and I don't know, I'm just feeling myself. Anyways, welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you guys are all doing fine. In case you see me smiling sheepishly, just know that Oga Baby is right in front of me, like literally just 2 steps away, and I'll probably be smiling at him. Anyways, the hair I'm going to be using in today's video is from UNice Hair, and it came with this package. It's a headband wig. I love the color of this box. I don't know, it's one of my favorite colors. It's a headband wig. When you open the box, let me just show you guys the things that come inside. You get this headband. Can you guys see this? So cute. This looks so serious. Maybe I'll try it for this video actually. You also get this one and this one. They're all headbands. I'm going to be trying out all the headbands today actually. And then finally you get the hair. And then this is the hair. I love the color of this hair. You guys, gold is quickly becoming my favorite color. Oh, this looks so good. I love the ombre. I love the ombre. Let me remove this. So, oh, it comes with another hairband inside as well. Just keep that aside. First thing I'm noticing, you guys, is that this band is not as fat as some bands that I've used before, which I absolutely love. I don't like when it's too fat actually. Like, there won't be any need in folding this one. But this is the hair. It looks absolutely beautiful. This is what it looks like. It has some waves. It's not like very straight. It has some waves. Can you guys tell how good this looks? I don't know if you can see. Can you tell how good this looks? It feels really good. It feels really soft. The beginning part is brown. Here is brown. It looks black, but it's actually brown, like brown to gold. Okay, and this is the size of the band. I don't think it's that big. I've actually had bigger bands. This is the size, which I love. And inside looks like this. It comes with these combs that you just put inside, like you you use a comb to hold it so that it doesn't fall off. Like when you do like this, it will fall off. Anyways, let me go ahead and okay, actually before I wear it, I have to lay my edges. So if you ever want your what's it called, your wig, your headband wig to look nice, you have to lay your edges. I don't really do much when it comes to this laying edges, Sha. I just what's it called, lie the hair down with edge control. I'm using this Cantu shea butter extra hold gel, stay gel. This, yeah, nothing special.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you.
So you guys, I've tried to lay my edges, just make it smooth and nice, and it will work. You can style it, you can put baby hair, do it however you want, but I just like to do something very, very simple. So let me go on and wear it.
Don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking.
I love this hair, you guys. I love it. It's so simple. Ooh, can you guys see this? Can you see this? So soft, so nice, so easy. Like on a normal day, I will actually just wear this like this and I'm good to go. Oh my god, I love this hair. Like, I love the color. You guys, what do you think? Like, I love the color. This is so beautiful. No, this is I'm feeling myself. You don't even understand how I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. You guys, no, this is so beautiful. This even like this is enough, but I'm going to style it into maybe 1 or 2 different ways so that you guys see how you can style this hair. So okay, let's do the first one.
Came up out the womb of man with everything that you demand. You could say I had a plan way before I had a fan. Some would probably call it luck, I just call it being blessed. You ain't never did the work, but you wanna be the best. Lately I could never stress, never better yet. Might have had a thing for you.
So you guys, on a normal day, if I were to wear this style, I'm going to use like a spray gel and hold it down, but because I want to show different styles, I don't want it to hold right now. But basically, you bring out some hair in front and then flip it back in, just so you get this nice side part going on, okay? Anyways, another style. This is it with this headband. To be honest, I don't know where I'll wear this to, But I don't even know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I don't think I'll ever wear this headband, but it's pretty, okay? But I don't think I'll ever wear it. Okay, and this is it with this headband. I think I love this headband with it. I'm actually going to leave this headband on because it goes with the top I'm wearing. I think so. I think it goes with the top I'm wearing. So let's see how this hair is going to take heat. I'm going to just coil it a little. Not really coiling, but I'm going to give it some waves. I say this in every video, but I don't really like coily hair, so I just like to give my hair a little bit waves. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's continue.
Came up out the womb of man with everything that you demand. You could say I had a plan way before I had a fan. Some would probably call it luck, I just call it being blessed. You ain't never did the work, but you wanna be the best. Lately I could never stress, never better yet. Might have had a thing for you, she know I'm the better bet. I digress, I let it rest, go and get another check.
So this is it with one side coiled and one side straight. What's your favorite style? Which side do you prefer? Which side more like do you prefer? Obviously, I'm going to say straight because I love straight hair, but this side also looks absolutely beautiful. So let me go on and also give this side some waves.
I could always see my future, I bet they could never guess. Guessing they get it, cause look at me now and then look at yourself in the mirror. I know they doubted my thesis, but they doubted Jesus, and right now I'm making it clear. Clearly these people don't know where they going, and lately I feel like the man with the map. I got this shit out the mud, you could give me the word and I'll probably give it right back. Back at the bus I was...
So you guys, this is the both sides done. I'm just going to use my hand to free it up a little bit, just so it's just wavy and not coily.
The change. Back in my head I was living a life. Back in my job I was losing the focus and trying to find ways to get back to the mic. All of this working ain't working, I feel like a liar and I cannot lie to my soul. I know the truth universal, so don't let me tell you, I know that a lot of you know.
So you guys, this is another way you can style this hair. I just packed some up here. I didn't want it to be too high in front, so let me turn to the side so you can see it well. Pack some up here and just let it fly down, so it has like this layer effect going on from the side. I hope you guys saw that well. From the front, it's going to look something like this. I actually love this style. I love this style. I've not done something like this before, and I think it looks very cute. Let me know what you think. I don't know. I love it. I'm feeling myself now. Anyways, I'm feeling myself, you guys. Francis is jealous of me because I'm here feeling myself. So guys, all the details for this hair is going to be in my description box. I absolutely love this hair. I don't know, it just feels so good, so smooth, so silky. You guys. Anyways, all the details will be in my description box down below. Like I said previously, it is from UNice Hair. If you've been on YouTube, I'm sure you must have heard UNice at least once. They have really good hair, and this is probably the fourth video, I believe, the fourth video that I'm making for the brand. So do check them out. All the details will be in my description box down below. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Came up out the womb of man with everything that you demand. You could say I had a plan way before I had a fan. Some would probably call it luck, I just call it being blessed. You ain't never did the work, but you wanna be the best. Lately I could never stress, never better yet. Might have had a thing for you, she know I'm the better bet. I digress, I let it rest, go and get another check. I could always see my future, I bet they could never guess. Guessing they get it, cause look at me now and then look at yourself in the mirror.